How to buy NHL tickets on Ticketmaster. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can on Ticketmaster.com buy some NHL tickets. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Obviously you must go into your web browser and type Ticketmaster.com, and there you're gonna find different like events or concerts or even related to sports. As you can see, there are some of the NBA, but if you don't find anything of NHL into the main page, you must scroll up, and here in the search bar you just have to type those initials NHL. So here are the top suggestions from the Stadium Series, Global Series, and also you're gonna find the events, the results, and here you're gonna know, sorry, I'm gonna close this, the date, obviously the time, and what is gonna be there, and the location. Okay, once you have decided yourself for the event you want to attend, you must click on find tickets. You must agree with these terms of use. And now if you want to get early access to tickets during the pre-sale, you can also enter an offer passcode if you have it. And you're going to obtain also pre-sale options from the NHL Stadium Series pre-sale and verify resale ticket. I'm just going to click OK here. And you're going to find the different locations here. So by now, just remember that the gray areas are unavailable, and some of them has a locked offer, like the 330 and 324. So I suggest you just to select one of these like light blue areas. You can also adjust some filters here, the amount of tickets you want, the price you want. So this is gonna reload and show you some other preferences in case you want it. As you can see, if I want cheaper, the medium part, the closest part to the central part, is going to be unavailable. And also if you want, I don't know, perhaps this section 304, these are in $105, you must click on unlock and enter your offer passcode. This happens because these are the lowest prices. Okay, so probably if you want to find best seats, let's check if the option is different. Like this, you don't have to unlock this option because there's the prices you can see. So you just have to continue. You can buy now or pay later at checkout. That's your option. Click on next and continue all the process, signing into your Ticketmaster account and then selecting your payment method. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can buy NHL tickets on Ticketmaster.com. Thanks for watching.